Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Soluble Tutors. How does this work? In exponential form, you always have a number which will be equal to a base and having a power. A number which equals to a base raised to a power. If you have to convert this to a log, how does that work in terms of logarithm? Converting to log, it means we have log of number. This is the number. Log of number. The base is always in this format. It will be equal to the power. So the setup is this. For exponential, you have number is equal to a base raised to a power. When it's coming to log, the conversion means log of that number to the base, because this is the setup, number to the base, is equal to power. So power of the exponential is the answer in logarithm. So let's take some examples now to confirm this. Now, when we have 10, it will be equal to 10 raised to the power of 1. This implies that we'll be having log of this number, which is 10, to the base of this 10. Now, is equal to the power, and that is 1. That's why log of a number to the same base will always give us 1. If we check another thing here, for example, 8 is the same thing as 8 raised to the power of 1. This implies log of 8 to base 8 is equal to 1. So that's why log of a number to the same number will always give us 1. Because if we have 100, which is equal to 10 raised to the power of 2, this implies log of that number, which is 100, to base of this 10, it must give us 2. And that is why when you have log of 10 raised to the power 2 to base 10, the 2 can come over here, okay, to give us 2 to log of 10 base 10. And this will later give us 1. So the answer will be 2. So this is confirmed. Let's now go for some questions that can come under this. Write the following equations in log form. How can this be in log form? This is number, and we have a power, is equal to another number. So this number that is raised to the power of minus, we call it base, because it's having a power. So base to a power is equal to number. So how do we do now? Now say log of a number. So this is our original number now. So log of 1 over 8 to a base of 2 will be equal to minus 3. Let's look at another example. This is a base, this is a power, and this is our number. So you can say log of this number, which is 1, to a base of 8 must give us 0. It means log of a number to any base, log of 1 to any base will give us 0. So it goes here also. This example, this is the base, this is the power, and this is the number. It means log of a number, the number is 49, to this base will be equal to minus 2. I believe we are now understand this topic of exponential to logarithm. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please give us a like button, press the notification bell so that anytime we release this kind of video, you'll be notified. Thank you and God bless you.